Today's top news from Pakistan and around the world. The Torkham border crossing has been closed for nearly a week due to a dispute with Afghanistan, stranding over 5,000 trucks and families in harsh winter conditions. Meanwhile, Pakistan reports 2 new polio cases, raising concerns despite vaccination efforts. On a brighter note, consumer inflation is stabilizing, with expectations of a continued downward trend thanks to an IMF program. Globally, China's partnership with Russia is under scrutiny as it navigates its role amid US policies on Ukraine. In economic news, European carmakers are feeling the pinch from President Trump's proposed 25% tariffs, causing share prices to tumble. Lastly, a tragic knife attack in Berlin has led to serious charges against a suspect linked to ISIS, prompting new restrictions on knife carrying in Germany. Stay informed and engaged with these critical developments.